What's your name and how did you hear about Innate Health Centers?
My name is Don Brogan, and I heard about you when you came to our church, First Baptist Church, the senior adult breakfast or luncheon. I forget which it was now, but you came and gave a talk, and I decided you might help me. So I signed up, and the very next Monday, I was starting.
Well, what kind of pain were you having, or what made you need some help?
I was having what I term sciatica pain. I had just gotten over having broken my leg. Last January, I broke my tibia and my fibula, and I was in NHC transitional care for like 53 days. And after I got out of there and pretty much got healed up on my leg, apparently I was favoring my bad leg when I walked, and I think I got all out of whack. But at any rate, I got to the point where I thought I was going to have a hip replacement because I was having so much pain in my hip, my buttock. I was having pain there whenever I walked, and then sometimes when I would just sit in my recliner in the evening, my pain was really bothersome. And it hurt on my thigh on the outside, as well as my lower leg on the back side of my shin. I would have these pains. So I thought I need the hip replacement. Went to the bone and joint clinic. They said, no, your hip is fine. But with the MRI that they took, they said, we're really surprised that you can even walk at all, because you have 3 places on your lower lumbar that are pinched nerves. So before he could get started on doing therapy or epidurals or whatever he was going to do, you came to our church, and I decided that sounds good to me. I'd never been to a chiropractor in my life, so I didn't know what to expect. And I started the following Monday, and I've been coming for a month now. This is the 5th week. And I will say that I've been helped, and I'm not having those pains. In the beginning, they told me that when I had the pain at night, I got an ice pack that you gave me, and they said give me 20 minutes on and 40 minutes off, and do that twice a day. And I did that for 1 week. And after a week and 3 adjustments, I no longer had to put the ice pack on. And I think since then, I've used it 1 time last week after I overdid it, mowed my grass, got an 1.5 acres, used the walking mower, used the riding mower, used the edger, used the blower, and I paid for it. That night I had the pain, and for the next 2 days I had cramps in my upper thighs, but that's not something that really concerns you. But that day I had over 16,000 steps on my Fitbit. My goal is 10,000 steps. So at any rate, my pain walking has gone. I don't have walking pain. I'm walking without a cane. I'm walking level. Not having pain at night when I go to my recliner. And also I had another pain. It was more of a numbness when I would lay in my bed at night. As soon as I lay on my back, my right arm would tend to get numb all the way down to my hand. My fingers would get numb. And now it's still doing it a little bit, but not near what it was. So, long story short, N8 has helped me. And I feel like I'm in good hands. Wes has been my chiropractor, and he's done most of the adjustments with me, and I'm enjoying it. But this is my 5th week, and I'm signed up for a long-term contract, which I expect that I'll be getting these adjustments and keep me straightened out in the future.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
All right.